If you're building your next side project or indie app and you need a backend that just works, this one's for you. On one hand, we've got Firebase, the well-known fully managed backend from Google. On the other hand, we've got Supabase, a newer open-source platform built around PostgreSQL, promising more control and flexibility. In this review, we'll talk about which one makes life easiest for solo devs or small teams. Firebase is super polished. You spin up a project, enable authentication, database, storage, real-time updates, and you're off. Its SDKs are mature, and its integration across web, iOS, Android is strong. Supabase starts from a different angle. You get a relational database from day one, SQL queries, joins, full access to the underlying database, and you even have the option to self-host later. The trade-off? It might require a little more understanding of how things hang together. If you're dealing with structured data, and you like writing SQL or expect your app to grow in complexity, Supabase really shines. You'll appreciate having direct database access, row-level security, predictable pricing, and the ability to move your stack if you need to. On the flip side, if you're building something that needs real-time sync, mobile friendliness, offline support, or you just want to minimize back-end headaches, Firebase has one of the smoothest experiences. Its document-based database makes many quick apps super easy. The catch with Firebase is cost can creep up as reads-writes rise, and dealing with complex relationships or migrations might feel awkward. With Supabase, you'll trade some of that turnkey ease for flexibility and deeper thinking about your schema. If you're an indie developer who wants to get something launched fast with minimal back-end stress, Firebase is likely the easiest path. But if you anticipate your app growing, require relational logic, care about data control, or want to keep your long-term options open, Supabase is a strong contender. Either way, you'll be shipping faster than building everything from scratch. Choose the one that matches your app's complexity and your comfort zone with SQL versus managed services, and you'll be set to build and iterate.